Hi, my name is Cheryl Johnson. I'm a political activist, but not in the traditional sense of the word. I've always loved politics and have been passionate about solving political problems since I was a young girl. I was only 10 years old when the election between Nixon and McGovern took place. For you youngsters, that was around 1972. Even at that early age, I was fascinated with politics. Today our country is in the throes of political division. Politicians use our passion, our ideals, our anger, and our frustration to fuel their campaigns instead of solving problems. We no longer vote for people who we believe can do the best job. On many levels, it has become just a popularity contest with people voting their demographic rather than their conscience. We have all but given up on voting for people of honesty and integrity. Doesn't even seem like they exist in the political stratosphere. We're not going to change politicians. To be honest, they've been this way in democracies where people can vote for the candidate of their choice since democracies have existed. So what can we change? We can change ourselves. Politicians will be politicians as long as we the people fail to do our part to learn even the most basics of civics. And yes, civility too. To do that, we need to have rational, informed dialogue where we listen more than we talk, where we respect each other and understand that at the core, we all simply want what we believe is best. We just may have a different way of trying to accomplish that same end, a happy and prosperous united nation. So let's talk, not yell. How do we do that? Well, you can start by pre-ordering my book, Let's Talk, Not Yell, for just $20. That is probably the best investment you will make in your future. It will provide you with simple, practical ideas for bringing us together to solve problems and unite our nation. You will get access to resources that align with a problem solver mentality and connect you with like-minded individuals who actually want government to work for the greater good. You will learn about economic models that foster unity, entrepreneurship, employee-owned businesses, and work to promote social responsibility. So let's talk.